Hello, Professor.
Hello, Supandi. Long time no see. What's the matter?
Professor, this coronavirus has made life very difficult for me. First, my promotion was cancelled. Then I had to take a salary cut. Now, when I checked on my mutual fund investments, my fund value has come down by half. What is happening, Professor?
Oh, Supandi, calm down. Where are you right now?
I am on my way back home.
That's good. It's not safe to be outside these days. I'm glad to see you're wearing a mask.
Yes. Masks are very good. They reduce the risk of me getting corona.
Exactly. Now think of SIPs as your face mask against volatility.
SIPs as a face mask? I can't wear SIPs on my face, Professor.
Oh, Supandi, I meant it as an example. My point is, currently the market is going through a severe phase of volatility. It is natural in this time of uncertainty. However, SIPs help reduce your risk in the long term because of something called rupee cost averaging.
I remember you telling me about this.
Yes, I have. Rupee cost averaging takes advantage of the fact that you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. This means when the market is down and the prices are lower, you end up buying more units and vice versa. Over time, this means you will maximize your units, and when you maximize your units,
You maximize your wealth. I get it now, Professor. So, in a way, the market being low right now is good for me.
well, in a way, it is. Yes. Don't worry, Supandi. If you stay invested, your investment value should eventually normalize. It might even go up over time. The key is staying invested.
Wow, Professor, you have really cheered me up. I was getting very worried.
Don't worry, Supandi. Like I said, your SIP is your face mask against volatility.
From what I understand, now is the perfect time to invest in a few more face masks.
Oh, Supandi. To know more about KYC documentation requirements and procedure for change of address, phone number, bank details, etc., please visit www.tatamutualfund.com/investor-education. Please deal only with registered mutual funds, details of which can be verified on the SEBI website under intermediaries/market infrastructure institutions. All complaints regarding Tata Mutual Fund may be directed to service@tataamc.com and or visit www.scores.gov.in, SEBI Scores portal. Nomination is advisable for all folios opened by an individual, especially with sole holding, as it facilitates an easy transmission process. This communication is a part of investor education and awareness initiative of Tata Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.